Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to prepare veg mayonnaise sandwich. I'm calling this as lockdown sandwich because mayonnaise we are preparing at home. For that, oil I've taken 3/4 cup. Any vegetable oil you can take. To this we will add low fat cream. Any low fat cream, Amul, Nandini or anything. Salt 1 teaspoon. Sugar 1 teaspoon. Mustard powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, lemon 1/4 part of a whole single lemon, vinegar 1 teaspoon. Vinegar is optional. Now beat it until it combines well and it becomes a thick paste. Now here I have used cream. Instead of that you can use chilled milk, fat milk. So here the cream also should be chilled before you use it. So until it combines well and becomes a thick paste, you will have to whisk it. After 6 to 7 minutes it becomes a thick paste. So now our mayonnaise is ready. This is the perfect consistency. Now to this you can add vegetables, and other than beater you can use forks to beat this, but it takes a bit longer duration. Now these are all the ingredients we need to prepare the sandwich. Grated carrot I'm adding 1/2 cup, boiled sweet corn 1/2 cup, onion 1/2 cup, capsicum 1/2 cup, mix it well. Until everything combines together. Now you can add salt according to the taste. Here I'm adding 1 teaspoon. Mixed herbs, chili flakes 1 teaspoon. If you don't have chili flakes you can put green chilies, chopped green chilies, and you can mix it well and you can keep this aside. Now we'll take bread and apply butter to it on one side. So we'll take the prepared mayonnaise and then apply to the other side where butter is not applied. Spread it evenly. Butter which I have taken here is homemade. You can see in the description I have given how to make butter at home. It is there even in the I button also. Now keep it together on a hot tawa. Flip it around. Now cut it in the center and then garnish with tomato ketchup. So it is very tasty. You can try it at home and let me know how it was in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe and hit the bell button for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.